Front of Draco to the 40, put respect on it. Aiming at it steady, might have a vest on him. I'm from the know your way, don't sit on 4G. You gotta keep it 30 about it like that.
What's good, YouTube? Give me y'all a little POV while I'm driving the back roads. We just left from picking up the car from the first back road POV when we was dropping off the old school. Now we done picked it up. Picked it up now. I'll show y'all that whenever we get to where we gotta be. I'm just gonna give y'all a little POV. I'm gonna stop talking for a little bit, let y'all hear the car. Then I'm gonna show y'all that car once we get where we need to be. And tell y'all everything else we gonna do to it. And what else we gonna do to the Daytona. Cause I got something else planned for it a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna straight pipe my car. I might get hitters. I might get hitters. Yeah. If I don't trade my car and get a cat, I'm just gonna cam this car, get headers. I'm just gonna go straight performance. Cause the car already look good with the wrap. But like, if I keep it for longer than a year and a half and don't trade it in for the cat, I'm just gonna cam this thing, have it chopping. But I'm finna stop talking though. I'm gonna let y'all hear the car. Watch this pat pat. Tail light, but he just bought some new ones. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to get it. Damn, that's a dead cat. I'm gonna try to get that 360 cam by the end of this month of May. Cause we supposed to be going to the car show in Mississippi. That's what we supposed to be doing. But I'm still gonna try to get the 360 cam before we go there. Cause like, I think BT gonna be there with his Camaro. Sir, he might come with the Challenger, the wide body. I don't know if Wiz gonna come, cause Wiz be tripping, bro. He always at work, so I don't think he might not come. But it's gonna be BT birthday on the 31st when we go. So I know he probably go for sure if we go. And I know y'all love Blue, the channel. Everybody love Blue. Like on TikTok and Instagram, they always asking what BT did to his Camaro. They love Blue. Yeah, Blue hard, I swear. Yeah, though, we like 3 minutes away from home. I thought there was a track. We like 3 minutes from home. I'm gonna pick the cam back up when I get home, and I'm gonna show y'all the Cutlass, the new paint on the Cutlass, and I'm gonna let y'all know what else we gonna do to it and what we gonna do to the Daytona. I just added another kill switch on here like 3 days ago. Yeah, the SS. Yeah, but I'm gonna pick up the cam when we get home. We like 3 minutes away. I'm gonna fuck with y'all. Yeah, YouTube, we made it back home. Here go to Daytona. Think about getting a splitter for my wrap to protect the bottom of it, because it's been rubbing real bad. There go the brakes. Talking to YouTube. Here go the Cutlass. Paint shop. Brush your gold wheels. Comment below. Brush your gold wheels. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I gave y'all a little POV. Now we're finna put the car in the garage and see what else we need to work on and buy before the car show on May 31st. Get back with y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. I love my guns so bad, take her on the dinner. They want to look at it. I hit his hand with a 3-away. Why he had us so high, we gon' beat him. 23 shots and it be like a rose. I'ma spin me, hold you like a DJ. 1-5 on player by DJ. 3 core, he ain't got